if you have any questions, I'm here to help. I've got about 10 years in the game.
Okay, so it sounds to me like you're talking about a snorkel vent or a telescoping vent. There's several GE profiles, Rochelle. You got.
Um, Rochelle, as far as that uh downdraft you're working on, um
Hey Rochelle, if that unit has two sets of switches on it, a remote switch and
Yeah, but I ran straight my cheetah cord to the blower motor, and it.
Must be the day for boy. I wish common sense came. If we started an appliance company with the people that are on here, I think we would be the absolute killer in the industry. We seem like we are all.
Well, guys and girls, I'm done for today. I've been collecting service calls all day. I condemned 3, and
yeah, I'm an equal opportunity spirit drinker. I drink whatever the hell they give me. But enjoy your bourbon. Have a good shot for me tonight.
yeah, heading to my last call. Oakham More Dryer.
All right, there. I see we got some new members. I think Jason.
Thanks, Brother B, and TMM academic members. And
Welcome, A1. A Plus Appliance. Sorry, I messed up your name. A Plus Appliance. My name is Aaron with Home Tech, and Laren asked where I was from, and I'm from McAllen, Texas. I mean, we're like 3 hours south from San Antonio. We got.
Hey, okay. Thank you, Brother B. What up, everybody? Happy Saturday.
Brother Ed, that's a little hard, man, because you got to get the Kenmore, the actual LG. You got to cross-reference that. So what you got to do is you